Students, today we are going to learn about a very beautiful and interesting art of writing, that is story. So before knowing about this art, I am telling you what a story is. A story is a description of some events connected in a series. A story can be real or imaginary. As we have already learned about the picture composition, in which we describe the picture in detail. We describe one picture in detail. Story is a set of pictures. So what we do in a story, that we describe all the given pictures one by one in detail, or make notes for each and every picture by using speech and some other grammatical words to make it more interesting or attractive. Now, a story has some essential parts. With the help of these parts, we can frame the story easily. So first one is characters. A story can be framed around the characters. So look at the pictures carefully and describe them exactly. Second one is settings. In settings, concentrate the story in one sentence, or we can say make notes for each and every single picture. Number 3, beginning of the story. Start to retell the story picture by picture, but start it with introduction and try to teach the or tell the story in sequence. Number 4, use speech and juicy words, like the words which makes the story or which make the sentences more interesting and attractive, but use these grammatically in correct order, like adverbs, adjectives, etc. Number 5 is plot or action. Find out what is happening in the pictures and making sentences for these actions and use it in the story. Number 6, it is the most important part of a story, that is title of the story. So now, as you described all the pictures, you arranged all the pictures or sentences in a sequence, so you can find out the title of the story. So find a strong headline or title of the story. So now your framing story is completed. Now the most important part of the story, that is moral. Moral is a lesson that the writer wants the main character and the readers to learn from the story. I hope you all understood how to frame the story.